Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated to my latest videos. Welcome to this tutorial on an overview of the WordPress interface and its features. Whether you are new to WordPress or just need a refresher, this video will guide you through the essential elements of the WordPress dashboard. Let's get started. First of all, you need to log into the WordPress. I have saved my WordPress credentials in LastPass, so just let me access it from here. Let's click on it. So your credentials will populate automatically through LastPass. Now you will see your dashboard on the screen. On this dashboard, you will see activity box, at a glance box, quick draft, WordPress events and news, site health status. So you can just move these boxes like this, and you can change their position as per your requirement. You can just expand and collapse boxes by clicking on this drop down arrow. In the activity box, you will see your activities, what blogs you have uploaded, and what comments you are receiving. In the at a glance box, you will see the number of posts, number of pages, number of comments you have on your website. Through this box, you can just publish a quick post on your website just by typing the title and the content. Here you will see all latest or current events and news regarding WordPress. From here you can select and choose your city. You can just simply submit it so that you can get the relevant events. So if I type Pakistan and submit it here, then I will get all the relevant events which are happening in Pakistan regarding WordPress. And if you click on this screen option drop down arrow, then you will see these options here. So by checking and unchecking these check boxes, you can just customize your dashboard. If you want to customize your dashboard, then you can just check or uncheck these boxes. So this is all about the dashboard, and then the home tab will lead you to the dashboard, and then comes the updates tab. So on the updates tab, you will get all updates of WordPress. Like if your WordPress version is going to get expired, then this will be shown here, and this will tell you that which version you need to install or when you need to update your WordPress version. After that, you will see your plugins here in the plugins section, and you can just update your plugins from here. It will show you all the updates regarding your plugins here, and then it will show you all updates regarding your themes in the third section, that is called themes. So from here you can update your themes. So this is all about the updates. And then this tab is very important, the posts tab. So in this tab, you will see the all posts section, the add new, the categories, the tags. So from here, you can add new posts to your blog or your website. You can just create the categories on your website from here, and you can just add different tags on your website from here. So when we will learn about blogging and when we will learn about creating the posts, then I will show you how you can just use all these options one by one. After that, you can see this option here, media. So this is the media library of WordPress. Okay, so in this media library, you will see all the images of your theme, all the images of your blog posts, all the images that you have uploaded on your WordPress, your logo, your banners, your featured images. Later on, when we will learn about creating the blogs, then I will show you how you can just access the images from here, and you can edit them very easily. You can crop the images as per your need. You can just resize them. You can add the alternative text to your images to make them search engine optimized. So this is a very useful option of WordPress. Then when you will click on the library, you will see all these images in the WordPress library. Then you will see this pages tab here. You can create all your pages using this tab, and it is very useful. So you will get some by default pages here, and you can just create your own pages by your choice or based on your requirements. And then this is the comments section. So here you will get all your comments. Like here I have this by default comment. Hi, this is a comment. To get started with moderating, editing and deleting comments, please visit the comments screen in the dashboard. So you can also access your comments from the dashboard comments screen, and you can also access your comments from here. You can just delete them, edit them, reply to them, approve them or unapprove them. Then let's talk about the appearance section. So this is the most interesting and most useful and very important feature of WordPress, and through this section you can create your websites and blogs without doing any sort of coding. You just need to select any theme from here, and you can also add your desired theme from here by clicking on the add new button, and it will show you many themes. So you can select any theme of your choice. After that, there's one more section, that is Customize. So in this section, you will see how you can customize your WordPress theme. Here you will see different options such as header, footer, templates, pages. So it will take a while to get loaded. So I've just applied this theme to show you an example, and here you will see that there are multiple options. I can just change the colors from here. I can just change the typography. So there are many options like global, typography, sidebar, page layer, site identity, its home page settings and additional CSS, and I will just teach you all these features one by one in detail. Through this part, you can just add different sort of widgets on your website in the form of blocks. So for example, this is the sidebar, and in sidebar they have already added the recent posts, the recent comments, archives, categories by default. So I can just add a button from here as well, and then I can just set the size of the button, the width, and I can select the widgets of my choice from here. I can just add an image, paragraph, heading, gallery, anything that I want to add on my website. So in this section, you can just create your websites or the primary menu and the secondary menu. You can just set them from here. And for example, I have currently I have this home menu, blog, about, menu, contact, and then I have these options here. So I can just drag and drop these from here to the menu structure. And then you have this theme file editor. So the theme file editor is something that not everyone can use, because if you know how to code or if you know CSS, then you can work or edit this code. And after that, you will have this plugins section. In this section, you will get different plugins to improve the performance of your website. Actually, WordPress has a lot of plugins saved here that you can just get free of cost. So you can search for the plugin and you can install it from here. So once the plugin is installed, it will be shown here, and then you just activate the plugin or you will start using it. And then the plugin file editor. So this is the plugin file editor, and you just don't need to do any sort of changes here. All right, so after that, this is the users section, and from here you can add different users to your website. You can just assign them different roles. Like this drop down list, you will see different roles: subscriber, contributor, author, editor, administrator. So these are different roles that you can assign to different users on your website, and then multiple people can work on your website. And after that, we have this profile. So on this profile, you can just change the appearance of your WordPress, like what theme you want to choose. If I just select the light theme, I can select any theme from here. This is the visual editor. This is all about changing the layout or the interface of your WordPress account. Then we have the tools section. In the tools section, you will see this by default tool here, that is categories and tag converter, and it can convert your categories into tags and tags into categories. After that, you will see this import button. So from this section, you can just import blog post, the categories, tags, RSS, the any sort of posts, pages, comments, anything from any other website or blog. And then you see this export button. So through this tab, you can just export your posts, your pages, your media. You can just download them from here and export it somewhere else. Now the site health. So site health is a feature of WordPress from where you can just check performance of your WordPress site. You can just check your configurations, what plugins you should remove, what theme you should activate, or what inactive themes you should remove. And now you will see export personal data. So from here, you can just export your personal data. You can add a username or email address, and you can confirm it from here and send a request. If you want to erase the personal data, then you have this option here. You can also send a request to erase the personal data from your website through this option. Now you will see this settings option here. Settings option, you will see all the settings regarding your website, like site title, site tagline, WordPress address, administration email address, site address, membership, new user default role, site language, time zone, and etc. Then you will see this writings tab here. From here, you will just do all your website settings as well. You can set your mail server, your login name, your password. And then there is a reading tab. So in this reading tab, you can just set how your home page will be displayed, whether your latest post will be shown on your home page or whether it will be a static page. So all those settings will be done from here. Then you will see this discussion settings section. From here, you can just set all your default post settings, your other comment settings, your email. You can also create an avatar of your website from here. And then this is the media section. So in this media section, you can just set the image sizes. The sizes listed below determine the maximum dimensions in pixels to use when adding an image to the media library. So what should be the maximum size when you want to add an image to the media library will be updated from here. Then these are the permalinks. So we can just change the structure of the permalinks from here. Now we have the privacy. As a website owner, you may need to follow national or international privacy laws. For example, you may need to create and display a privacy policy. So if you have a website, then obviously you need to create a privacy policy for your website. So first of all, create that privacy policy, and you can also use this page that is by default here. So congratulations, you have now familiarized yourself with the WordPress interface and its features. The WordPress dashboard provides a powerful and user-friendly environment for managing your website. Now you are ready to start creating content, customizing your site, and unleashing the full potential of WordPress. So in the next video, I'll just show you how you can create users in your WordPress account and how you can just do these general settings in your WordPress account. So happy website building. See you later. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next video.